Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch from Google Assistant to Gemini on Android. So let's get started. So first of all, you got to make sure that you have Gemini app installed on your device. If you don't have it yet, you can simply download it from Google Play Store. Once Gemini is installed, you're going to head over and open the Google application. So once you have opened Google, you're going to click on your profile at the top right corner. So over here, you're going to click on Google Assistant. And then within Google Assistant, you're going to scroll down till you find the option of digital assistants from Google, and you'll be able to see Gemini and Google Assistant. So you're going to select Gemini from this list, and then you're going to click on switch. Once you do so, you'll be able to see it has redirected you to Gemini. You're going to click on use Gemini. Once the setup is complete, Gemini becomes your default digital assistant. You can also make the switch through Android settings. So you can simply go to your settings, and then you can go to apps over here. So simply search for apps in the search bar. So you can simply go to app management over here, and then you're going to go to assistant. And then you're going to scroll down and find the option of digital assistants from Google. Click on it and you can choose Gemini from here as well. After switching, the same actions that previously launched Google Assistant, such as saying, "Hey Google," or long pressing the power button, will now open Gemini instead. If you ever want to go back, simply return to digital assistants from Google settings and select Google Assistant. And that's it. That's how you can switch from Google Assistant to Gemini on an Android.